What are you drinking?
My tea. A little hot tea this morning. I'm a little chilly.
Your
cold fireplace going.
It's a little chilly today.
Cold. Yeah, I'm over it.
Yeah. So I thought today, since it was a little cold, that we'd make some soup.
I'm excited.
And so I kind of came across this recipe, but I've kind of altered it because we didn't have all of the ingredients. But you remember that Thai peanut mixture
lentils?
With the lentils that you used to make, and it was so good.
I think we've done a video. Lentils and veggies and peanut sauce, right?
Did we?
I think we have.
I hope we have.
Yeah.
I can't remember.
It's so good, but when you showed me this recipe,
it's kind of like this.
Yeah.
So we've altered some things because I didn't have all the ingredients that we needed, so I kind of made something up. So
it might be even better though.
Let's see. Right?
Never know.
Okay, so in this pot, so this is this is called a vegan Thai peanut ramen soup.
Awesome.
Does that sound okay? I think that sounds okay. So in the pot, I've put 2 tablespoons of oil and 3 garlic cloves.
Okay.
So I'm gonna let you just
All right.
kind of stir that up.
Got it.
So we're just gonna cook that for like a minute, just to kind of get it fragrant.
Yeah.
Right.
I can already smell it.
Because you don't want to burn it. Because I don't know if you ever burnt garlic and oil.
Yeah, it's not good.
It's not good.
Yeah.
It's not good.
And it doesn't take long for this to cook. It's already browning.
Yeah. Okay. And so to that, we are going to add, so I don't know if anybody's ever been to Penzeys Spice. I love it.
I do too.
So this is the now curry, and it has, oh gosh, it has ginger and coriander and cumin and garlic and black pepper, and there's a bunch of long list of, but it smells. So you're going to put 2 teaspoons. Okay. We're going to start with 2 teaspoons.
We might add to it.
Once again, I don't know.
Okay. Alright.
Okay. So 2 teaspoons of that. And then we're going to add, oh, that
Smells amazing, doesn't it?
smells so good.
Oh my gosh, it smells so good.
Okay, and to that we're going to add, if you want to dump in, I have 3 cups, we're going to stir that a little bit.
Okay.
3 cups of vegetable broth.
Do I put it all in there?
Put it all in.
Okay. Okay.
All right, and then we're going to add a can of the full fat coconut milk.
All right.
Okay.
Awesome.
Okay. And then what we did right before we started filming, you're supposed to take a 1/2 cup of peanut butter, natural peanut butter, and a cup of the vegetable broth, and you're just supposed to mix it together. I think it just helps it kind of break it down.
Not be clumpy or whatever.
Yes.
Okay.
So we're gonna do this.
Okay.
Hold on.
Oh my gosh, this is gonna be
Delicious. I hope it is. I hope it is. Okay. So let's just kick that up just a little bit because we want to get it kind of
boiling a little bit.
And then if you'll hand me the soy sauce, the agave,
Yep.
the lime juice,
Yes, ma'am.
and that's it.
Okay.
Okay. And so then you're going to take 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. You're going to add that to the pot. Let's just do that real quick.
Soups are like so easy.
So easy.
It's like the easiest way to get a complete meal. I love it.
And listen, if you don't want to make this vegan or without any, you want to add meat to it, you could add chicken, you could add shrimp. I mean,
Oh yeah.
you could add beef if you wanted to, but I think chicken and shrimp would be really good.
Yeah, I mean there's no cheese or meat, so it's vegan, but other than that you could totally add some stuff.
So then we're going to do 2 tablespoons of agave.
Okay.
Okay. And then it says to add juice. Okay, so it says to add juice of 2 limes, but I don't know, what do you think? I'm thinking like just 2 tablespoons?
Yeah. Yeah, maybe even
Let's-
just 1.5.
Okay, let's do 1.5. We can always add more.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, and we're gonna cook that for about 5 to 10 minutes. We're gonna just kind of bring it up to a boil, and then we're gonna taste it to see if we need to adjust the seasoning.
Got it. Okay, sounds good.
Oh. Ooh. Darn, that's hot. I forget. Okay, so we've had this simmering for about 10-15 minutes. Okay, so I think the key is, no, we need to really try it before we do noodles.
Okay.
So And it's gonna be smoking hot, but watch Heather will just throw it right in your mouth.
That's good. That's got a great flavor.
It really does.
Ooh, isn't that good?
I was worried it was gonna be.
So I think it's the perfect amount of curry.
I think
don't
so
think
too.
you need more.
Yeah, because and honestly, I'm not a big curry fan, but a little bit. And the now curry has so much other things in it.
Yeah, it's got cumin in my face. Are we gonna add this?
So we're gonna add the Thai rice meals. I'm gonna kick this up just a little bit.
Okay.
Let's get it boiling.
I've never made these, cooked with these. Are we putting the whole thing in?
You're putting the whole thing. It actually calls for 12 ounces, but this is 8 ounces, and I think that's gonna be plenty.
Yeah. There we go. Looky there. Very cool.
Okay, we're just gonna let this cook for another,
How long does that cook in
I don't know,
there?
8 minutes. What's it say? Oh, no.
3 to 5.
It says
Oh no.
boil water. What does that say? I don't know what this is.
Well,
Put it in boiling water and then you remove it from heat, don't you?
yeah, that's what it says. Remove from heat. Let stand 3 to 5 minutes. So yeah, we don't want to heat it.
Okay,
Turn it off.
well, I just wanted to get that up to boiling, which it is.
Oh.
Okay.
Okay. So 3 to 5 minutes, and we're done.
Yeah, we're done. Be right back.
Okay. We're done.
Okay.
Wow.
I
Okay,
think
those
it looks-
cooked super fast.
Wow.
3 to 5 minutes, just like it said.
Wow.
This looks absolutely amazing. Ladle some up.
Let's see. I would top it with some roasted peanuts,
Mhm.
or like I said, you could do shrimp. You could do
Oh, shrimp would be good
you
in
could do
this.
chicken. I would do shrimp. I love shrimp.
Oh my gosh, that would be so good. Just put a few of those on there.
Top, yeah, and you can even top it with some cilantro.
Mhm.
This
Green
is-
onion.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, that looks so good.
You ready to try?
Mm-hmm.
I feel like you might need a fork.
Yeah. That has the best flavor. That is delicious and so easy.
That's so good.
I'm so excited.
I love this.
New recipe.
Thank you, Amber. I think it was Amber that gave me.
I have some.
Curry spices.
I love Penzi spices, but they have such neat blends there. Like that's what I love about it. I mean, all their spices are great quality, but they mix some really cool stuff.
Yep. That's delicious.
All right, guys, this is so super easy, really delicious. Highly recommend it. We will put the recipe in the comments below.
And this is the second Two Hungry Neighbors recipe.
Oh yeah,
Right there.
going in the cookbook.
High five.
Yep, pretty good.
Okay. So make sure you subscribe and stay tuned for more healthy, delicious recipes.
All right, have a great day.
Bye.
See ya.